Since the dawn of humankind, one question has echoed through every generation. How did all this begin? Was it born out of nothingness in a cosmic explosion, or spoken into existence by a divine word? Today, we journey back to the very start to unravel the untold story of how the world began. Before time itself existed, there was nothing. No light, no darkness, no sound, not even silence, only absolute nothingness. But from this void, according to modern science, emerged an unimaginable moment called the Big Bang. In a fraction of a second, the universe exploded into being, expanding faster than light, forming particles, atoms, and elements, the building blocks of everything we know. As space expanded, it cooled, allowing these scattered particles to unite into clouds of gas and dust, eventually giving birth to galaxies, stars, and planets. About 4.5 billion years ago, in a young galaxy we call the Milky Way, a cloud of gas and cosmic dust began to swirl and collapse under gravity's silent command. At its center, our sun was born in a fiery brilliance, and around it, clumps of debris began to collide and merge, forming planets. Among these new worlds was a glowing, molten sphere that would become our Earth. Bombarded by meteors and comets, it raged with volcanic eruptions and storms of fire for millions of years. Then came water, carried by icy comets or released from deep within the Earth itself. Rain fell for thousands of years, cooling the planet and forming vast oceans. In these oceans, the first seeds of life began to stir, tiny and fragile, yet destined to change the universe forever. From simple single-celled organisms came evolution's grand orchestra, shaping life into forms beyond imagination. Cells learned to join together, creating plants that breathed out oxygen, and animals that inhaled it in return. For billions of years, life remained in water until brave pioneers emerged onto land, plants first, then insects, then amphibians who walked on 4 legs into a new world. Then came the dinosaurs, rulers of Earth for over 160 million years, roaming forests and plains in mighty herds, hunting, grazing, and shaping the planet with every footstep. But their reign ended suddenly, when a giant asteroid struck the Earth, cloaking it in darkness and wiping out most life in a mass extinction. From the ashes of extinction, mammals rose, evolving into countless forms. Among them were primates, swinging through trees and learning to survive in changing landscapes. Millions of years passed until one day, an extraordinary species emerged, Homo sapiens, humans. They walked upright, tamed fire, invented tools, painted their stories on cave walls, and gazed at the stars above, wondering where they came from. While science seeks the origins in matter and energy, humans also look to divine stories to explain creation. In Christianity, God spoke the world into existence in 6 days, creating light, land, water, animals, and finally, humans in His own image. In Islam, Allah said be, and it was. He created the heavens, earth, and everything between them in 6 periods, shaping mountains, rivers, and life with perfect wisdom. Hinduism speaks of Brahma, the creator who emerged from a lotus sprung from Vishnu's navel, crafting the heavens, earth, and all beings in a cosmic cycle of creation and destruction. Across Africa, countless tribes tell of gods molding humans from clay or descending from the skies to create animals, forests, and the sun. Whether we look to science or scripture, one truth remains: we are part of something far greater than ourselves. The universe continues to expand, and every galaxy, star, planet, and life form is part of this grand cosmic story. The mystery of how the world began remains a bridge between what we know and what we hope to discover. For in every human heart lies a longing to understand our origin. To answer the question that defines us, why are we here? This is the story of how the world began, a story of unimaginable power, endless creativity, and enduring mystery. As you gaze at the sky tonight, remember, you are part of this ancient, eternal dance of creation.